Train your English voice to use get in sentences. We use get in a few different ways. Let's have a look at 4 different ways. Now remember that it is a verb, so the form can change according to the tense. Gets, got, gotten, or getting. Now let's have a look at get plus noun. I will get a new pair of shoes tomorrow. Or he will get his book tomorrow. Get plus adjective. She is getting cold with that dress on the stage. Get plus to a place. For example, they will get to Hollywood in about an hour. Get plus in, out, on, or off, referring to direction. He got off the plane a moment ago. Some more examples. He got taller since I last saw him. She will get to the hotel soon. Or they got into the taxi.